So we are back. We are flipping another house.
This time it's a 2-story, still in Ankeny, not far from our old flip house, but we're gonna take on a 2-story.
We weren't quite expecting to flip another house so quick, but when the opportunity comes, you kind of have to jump all over it.
All right, we're standing in the living room, one of the living spaces, and we are going to do a complete overhaul on this house. New kitchen. I was gonna save that. All right, here's the kitchen. We're gonna take all this stuff out. All the cabinets, the bulkheads, everything's coming out. Tim, demo day is tomorrow. Our goal is to replace all the flooring so it matches in each of the places. So, Timothy, demo day starts tomorrow. We've got a lot of tear out to do, and I really hope that we don't have our hands too full with this project.
In all seriousness, we're really excited about tomorrow. That's the day we start demolition. So follow us on Instagram and Facebook and watch the progress. Section out.
Yep.